Broadcasting is one of the most basic concepts in Numpy, but also one of the most confusing. This video will help you visualize the concept of broadcasting. The term broadcasting refers to the way Numpy treat arrays when arrays of different sizes are used in arithmetic operations. On a very basic level, there are two cases. First is when one of the operand is a scalar, that is one number, and the second one is when two arrays have different shapes. When one operand is a scalar, NumPy will just copy the scalar number to match the shape of the other array and do the operation. One thing to note that NumPy does not make multiple copies of the number. This copying analogy is just for visualization. When both arrays are of different shapes, NumPy will start checking axes from the right. If the respective axes are same or one of the axes has value 1, then the arrays are broadcastable. Any unknown value of axis is assumed to be 1. In this example, 1 is prepended to make the array compatible. The array is then copied as the previous example. In conclusion, for the arrays to be broadcastable, the values of axis should be either same or should be 1. I hope this video helped you improve your understanding of broadcasting. Thanks for watching.